Answer the big question on why microservices or what advantage does microservice brings to the table. Microservices are independently deployable. What that means is if in a project there are multiple microservices, we might be working on one microservice at a time. Or it could be possible that each team has one microservice they are working on and they can be deployed individually rather than deploying the complete project with all the microservices. Because of that, we do not have dependencies on the other working pieces of the application when we are working with an individual microservice. When we work with monolithic application, there is typically one big application and the team works on that. So when a deployment has to happen, the complete application has to be deployed rather than small application or a small microservice. But when we work with microservice architecture, each microservice can be deployed by itself. Microservices are great when it comes to scaling as well. In a traditional monolithic application, we typically have one server and we might scale that out to multiple instances. But when we have to scale up, we have to scale up the complete server with the complete application. But when we work with microservices, we can increase the resource on the service that needs them rather than increasing it for the complete server. As an example, if there is a microservice that is responsible for handling the bulky exports of our website, and if we want to have 5 instances of that, that way the downloads are super quick, then it would be much easier to scale that microservices and not touch any other microservice. But if it was a monolithic application, you might have to scale out all the instances of the main server to have multiple instances up and running. You can see because of that scaling is much more efficient when it comes to microservice architecture. Microservices do not typically have bulky code because the complete application is broken down in multiple microservices. The code base of each microservice is smaller as compared to monolithic application because we are breaking things out with microservice. Now that does not mean that microservices will always be small. The only thing that you should remember is microservices. The only factor that you should remember is one microservice would typically be responsible for one functionality. Lastly, there can be many microservices in an application, so it could be possible that one of the microservices goes down, but the other microservices will be up and running because all of them are hosted individually. Debugging and making sure that the microservice comes back online will be much faster as compared to a monolithic application. And because of that, it will reduce the downtime of our project. These are some of the basic benefits that microservices brings to the table. Let me walk you through one of them with an example here. We have a front-end application and we have 4 microservices. We have a microservice that will deal with loading all the products and managing that. We have one for managing the shopping cart. We have one to manage the order. And we have one microservice that is responsible for sending out all the emails in our project. Now let's say for some reason email microservices fails, but all the other microservices are up and running. In that case, when a user registers or places an order, a message will be sent to someplace in a message broker. Because the email API is not running, the message will be stored there. Let's say after a few hours when the email API is back up and running, it will start processing all the messages that were supposed to be delivered and then send out the email. But even if the microservice for email was down, the other microservices were up and running. Similarly, let's say if the order microservices goes down, everything else will be functional. So at least a user will be able to browse the product, add that to the shopping cart. They will not be able to place the order, or they will have to wait for some confirmation. That depends on how we design the application, but main thing that you should remember here is with microservices, if one microservice goes down, the application will still be up and running. That is way different if we have a monolithic application. If in monolithic application the server goes down, the complete application goes down. I am giving you a 10,000 feet overview right now to introduce you to some of the advantages of microservices. But if some things are not making sense right now, or if you have questions about that, please hold on to that. As we progress with the course and start